Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell to get notified when I have new videos coming out. Now, as far as the comment section below, I would love for you to tell me what your scent of the day is and your favorite fragrance. I want to get the dialogue going. I want to get the comment section on and cracking. So let's have that dialogue back and forth. Also, let me know what fragrance you may want me to review. I want to know. I want to know all about you, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. All right? Okay, so now today's fragrance is for the gentlemen. I have you guys covered. I've been meaning to do a men's review for the past 2 weeks. I'm just not getting around to it, so I do apologize. So what we're going to do is start out with the House of Azzaro, Most Wanted. There we go. The Most Wanted. Here's the top of the box. Here's the bottom. You can see the barcode and all that good stuff on there. All right, so this is the box. So let's open up this bad boy. See what's going on with the bad boy, right? Of course, that's another cologne. Okay, so here we have the matte finish. We have the glass down here, and we have the signature bullets up here. All right, so let's take this off and let's get this started, right? Okay, all right, digging it, digging it. Let's go ahead and spray it. Now this is an amber fragrance. Now, with the opening, what I'm smelling is a bubblegum sweetness, warm and spicy, and a little amber. Definitely a little bit of amber. Now, I've already worn this already, so I can kind of tell you after 30 to 4 minutes, the bubblegum starts to disappear somewhat, but it's still there. Then what happens is a caramel scent kicks in. You would think the toffee kicks in, but it's a caramel scent that kicks in after the 30 to 40 minutes. It's the caramel that comes in. Then once that settles, goes into the dryness, now you have a toffee smell. You don't have the sweetness anymore. To me, it's a little fruity, but it's not sweet. And you can smell the amber. And that's after it dries down. It goes through its little phases, what it needs to go through. So to dry down, you get the amber, you get the toffee, and you get fruity. It smells so good. It smells really, really good. It does. Ladies, this is a great gift for your significant other. Great Father's Day gift. Gentlemen, you want compliments? Here you go, right here. Definitely get compliments right here on this one. And you can get this fragrance at Macy's. I've got it for $98. But the one thing I would say is do not do a blind buy. This is the third release of the House of Azzaro. So you have Wanted, you have Wanted by Night, and you have the Most Wanted. Now, the other two are sweet, but it's a different type of sweetness. This is a bubblegum sweetness. So, you know, just try it out first before you purchase it. Make sure you spray it, see what the longevity is, and see how it smells in your skin, because it's smelling it on me, it's going to be different than smelling on you or on the next person. So definitely check it out before you purchase it. Now, as far as the longevity goes, it lasts 8 hours. Now, again, your skin type, it might last 6 hours. So if it does, I always talk about the Travolta. I have the links in the description on where to buy it, how to clean it, and how to fill it. Because sometimes it could be a little tricky, but I tell you all of that in the description below. The projection of this, once you put it on, it's about 4 feet. Then after it dies down, it's about 6 feet. You can wear this in the office. You can wear this as date night. If you wear it in the office, I would just do the regular squirts, maybe put a little bit on your clothing and that's about it. Date night, you can do a little more pumps with it, but again, you don't want it to be overbearing, and this could be overbearing if you overspray it. So just be careful with the sprays, especially with the office. You want to be careful. But when I sprayed it, I got compliments on it. I got a lot of compliments. Like, a lot of men were like, what are you wearing? That's a men's fragrance. Like, what are you wearing? I'm like, I know, doesn't it smell good? My son wore it, he got a ton of compliments. So if you're looking for the compliments, definitely. And this has a gourmand feel to it, edible with the toffee and the caramel. Yes, definitely a good one. Definitely invest in this. This actually reminds me of Valentino Umo that came out in 2014, so it kind of reminds me of that, especially with the opening note. Definitely. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for you today. Pick this up, but don't blind buy. Go check it out first before you purchase it. So, until next time, stay cool, stay classy, and keep on killing it. Cheers.